today's video, I'll teach you how to install mods and edit your character directly in game using the Hogwarts Legacy editor. So starting off the game, select the Play Mods option and select Link Accounts. In Link Code, tap on the link code, the text copy to clipboard. Tap on this Login to Web Games. Paste the code we copied and select Submit. Type the email address. Select Continue. How old are you? Select the age. Select Accept and Continue. Select this pencil icon and display name. Type the name you like. I'm gonna type. Select the Update Display Name option. Select Connected to Harry Potter and select Continue. Now go back to the game and congratulations. Select the Continue option and press the spacebar key and press the F key. I have read and press the F key. Go to Browse tab. In search, you need to type character editor center. You will get this character editor mod lack views. Select the mod and select the install option. Press the spacebar key and the mod has been installed done. To press the escape key and go back. Go to enable mods. Press the spacebar key. Select the current character you are playing. Press the spacebar and the character has been added to mod saves. Select the character we selected over here. The character editor selected. Press the spacebar. As you can see, the mod is enabled. As you can see, there is two row on enabled mod and disabled mod. The mod is in enabled. And now you need to press the B key to apply changes. Press the spacebar. The settings has been saved. Now we created one mod in this profile. As you can see, it mentions. Just drag the mouse to the profile and press in keyboard F key. Select the game and press the spacebar and it's gonna be load the mod. After you are in game, just press the F5 key in your keyboard and in here you can able to change your name, body, you can change female to male and all these options can be changeable. Skin color, face shape, hairstyle, hair color, eye color, eyeliner, eyebrows, sorry, eyeshadow, and everything can be changed over here. To close this, press the F5 key in your keyboard again, and now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.